Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 50, and today we are going to look at word the attribute selector, and this is the syntax for using it. So before jumping into the code, and if you're new to jQuery, then I want you to download the jQuery from jquery.com/download, then download the uncompressed version, that import that file into your project. Once you've done that, then next you need to reference it into your head section, otherwise the jQuery is not going to work. Next, we are going to write some JavaScript code by saying hey document.ready, which means once the document finish loading with all these contents, we would like some jQuery instruction to be getting executed. So this is the regular thing we do all the time. So now we are looking at the word attribute, right? So if I want to write that, then there's a pattern. The pattern is you specify an attribute name and the value you are looking for, and you're looking for a specific word, so this style sign needs to be present after an attribute. So if I'm looking a case over here, it says I'm looking for an attribute hreflang, and if I look at this HTML document, so I can see everywhere hreflang is present, and within that I'm using the style sign which is available below the escape and left onto the one. Using shift you can select the style sign, and once we are done that, we can write the word we are specifically looking within the attribute value. So this OK, I'm looking inside this, but let's see, again I'm looking at the OK word, which is right here, not here, here, and I think not here, because this is not a word. So when I'm going to run this thing, I have only two valid selection. One is here and the second one is here. So it's again like a contains, but contains was very specific regards to a text, and this is very specific regards to a word. So you can see these two get selected, the Yahoo and agent 47. Why Yahoo got selected? Because OK is a word here. Why agent 47 got selected? Because OK again is a word here. And one more thing to remember, there's a rule that words should be delimited by white space. So that's why delimited in the sense that's what separates the alphabet, this join text as the word, that's why this I can say is a word. So if I put in a space in between, so now this becomes a word. So and if I save this and if I run this thing, so it's an obvious thing, it's going to select this one as well, right? So I hope you got the idea, right? It selects the word, the matching word, but the only rule is it should be delimited by a white space, which is right here. I'm sorry, where is it? Right here, and right here. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. Up next we are going to look at the endswith, and before we go there, I want you to try some plus and minus doing with this elements, and try some case sensitivity. And if you guys run into any problems, then please let me know via comments. I'll be happy to help. All right, so thank you for your time and thank you for listening to me. Good night and take care.